guys, regular old army girl here. I'm going to try to explain to you how to fix the kelp jamming issues. It's a common problem to the Colt model percussion revolvers. You'll need a file, some chalk to chalk your file. Unfortunately, I don't have any in the house, so I'm just going to explain this. You'll need a small strip of white paper. Kind of bear with me, I got a sore throat. So, the problem is this spot right in here. When the gas blows back against the spent percussion kelp, it blows it right into that little section there, and it pulls it out, and it falls right down in there. To remedy that, you'll need some paper. You'll also need something like a Sharpie or some chalk, or in this case, this revolver is still dirty. I haven't cleaned it yet. Put your paper in there like this and close the hammer down. Ease it up. And this one's been pretty much worked already. Somebody else done it, not me. But typically on an unworked gun, you'll have a transfer of whatever soot, Sharpie from the nipple onto the paper. And what you do is you file straight across this face in here, little bits at a time. Don't go file crazy. And you check it again, and you keep that process up until there's no more transfer onto your piece of paper, and that should fix your kelp jamming problems. Also, another thing to note is, I forgot what I was going to say. I gotta go clean this. I haven't cleaned it yet. But that should pretty much fix your kelp jamming problems. There is a temporary fix to it that doesn't necessarily require as much filing. You fill in that little spot there with JB oiled, then file it flat. That's another little short fix, but it won't last. It's not permanent like the one I'm talking about in this video. That's pretty much the procedure for it. Regular old army girl out.